Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
(2022) Yamaha Nmax 155 scooter. Yamaha has given the Nmax 155 scooter some subtle changes, inside out, to make it more modern and appealing. 2022 Yamaha Nmax 155 now gets a longer fuel range, claimed, of 300 km thanks to its larger fuel tank, which can accommodate 7.1 litre of fuel at once. Yamaha has introduced the newly updated 2022 Nmax 155 moto-scooter for the European markets. The scooter closely relates to the Yamaha Aerox 155, which was launched in the market very recently, as both derive power from the company's new sports bike, YZF-R15 V4. For 2022, Yamaha has given the scooter some subtle changes inside out to make it more modern and appealing for the younger set of buyers. The Japanese automaker has tweaked the looks of the scooter thanks to the touches such as the new LED headlamp, lower placed handlebar, and minor exterior body updates. The company has repositioned the handlebar to make the turning of the scooter easier. In addition to that, the ergonomics have also been tweaked minorly. The scooter now gets a longer fuel range, claimed, of 300 km thanks to its larger fuel tank, which can accommodate 7.1 litre of fuel at once. In terms of the powertrain, it continues to source the engine from the R15 V4 sports bike. This is a 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, that has been rated to churn out close to 15 bhp of maximum power. This engine comes with Yamaha's variable valve actuation, VVA, setup. The scooter sports a range of modern features such as Bluetooth connectivity, which enables the rider to pair the vehicle with the rider's smartphone. This allows the user to access information such as navigation, trip details, and maintenance service schedules through Yamaha's smartphone application. The Nmax also comes with a 12 volts charging socket for more convenience.